Hi everybody, this is Tom Matuska with the Matuska Taxidermy Supply Company, and we're here at the World Taxidermy Competition and Show in Springfield, Missouri, and I am here with the lovely Desiree Brothers, former Mrs. Iowa, and Desiree is special to our heart because she is the wife of Corey Brothers, who is judging the show. And Corey is like one of the whitest people we know, and Desiree is lucky enough to land that big old turkey.
There you go.
And we're going to turn this over to Desiree. She's very familiar in front of the camera, and she's going to give you a little tour of our booth. We have a very large presence here, and we brought everything to the kitchen sink. And why don't you tell them what you see and take it away.
All right, everybody.
Thank you.
Thanks, Tom. If you are at the show, you definitely got to come by and visit the Matuska booth because, as Tom said, they have brought everything plus the kitchen sink, and they have great discounts today. So I'm going to take you through the booth, and we're going to highlight a few things, but I have to let you know there are over, I think, like $11,000 worth of prizes here today. So for our show attendees, you guys are in for a real treat. And for those of you who couldn't join us today, don't worry. You're probably like, that's right, I can't be there, I can't win. Well, you know what? You can still win, kind of, and I'm going to tell you how. Because if you download the Matuska Taxidermy app, you can still cash in on the 15% off sale that they're offering on all of their products throughout this show. And I have been told that this app is super friendly, so go to the App Store on your smartphone, look for the Matuska Taxidermy app, and go ahead and place your order and save 15%. And next year or next time they hold this show, make sure you're here so you can take advantage of all the other sales that are here. And I'm going to set this whole guy down. Before we get started in the booth, there are tons of other things here that I want to share for our folks that are here. First of all, 30% doorbusters. I'm going to highlight some of those as we go through the booth, and we are giving grand prize giveaways every hour on the hour. And the first one here, let me check my notes, is going to be a new Engelberg flesher. All right, and the way that this works is for every $100 that you spend in the booth, you get a ticket and get your name put in the drawing to win these hourly prizes. So if you're getting supplies anyway, be sure you take advantage of those. First drawing, 5:30, it is for the new Engelberg flesher. Secondly, see my swag? I got on my Matuska Taxidermy shirt. Anybody else who is wearing Matuska Taxidermy gear, and we have tons of it that you're going to see as you come through the booth, adult and kid sizes. So we have 2T up through youth medium, so kids can get on the action too. If you are caught wearing your Matuska gear anywhere during the show, so May 4th through the 7th, you will get a golden ticket, and then you can bring your ticket to the booth the following day and get a prize. So many ways to win, right guys? So many ways. Over 9,500 in giveaways, 1,500 in a grand prize drawing. You do not want to miss out, so make sure you get here to the booth. So, without further ado, let's go check it out and see what we've got going on here. All the grand prize. Jamie, love this gal. Won the grand prize last year. What did you win?
A whole box full of goodies. You gotta try it.
You gotta try it.
That's awesome. Backpack mount, fleshing board, pastels, bird fleshers, what else?
I mean, just many things, so many things, and so many accessories. And I have to say, and I know this is not part of the tour, but the last time I saw Jamie, she had the most impressive boxer that she mounted, and he was so lifelike. I'm still in love with this guy. His name started with a D. What was it? Dro. Oh my gosh. Love him, love her. She's great and living proof that you can win. Yep. So come see us. Yep. All right. So, as I said, lots of swag, lots of clothing. We're going to see this all the way throughout. Now, along this wall here, you're going to see a lot of our fantastic forms. Here's the thing to remember here, guys. 15% off any of these items that are here. And you can walk home with these. Matuska is similar to several other suppliers in that they could be 2 weeks out. But they have brought so many forms here today that if you claim it, it's yours. You can take it home. You don't have to wait. And if for some reason we don't have what it is that you're looking for, you can go ahead and pre-order, prepay for it, and they will get you on the schedule to get you your forms. So be sure you take advantage of that. While we are walking by, let me talk to you about one of these doorbusters that we have here. So we have our reference books, and you can see we have tons of them, and we've got elk reference, mule deer, 30% sign here says 25%. I have it in good faith that these are 30%. So it's a good sale, doorbuster. You're going to want to take advantage of that. All right, walk with me, and you'll see we've got lots of activity going on in the booth. People are here to go home with reliable supplies that you're going to get from Matuska Taxidermy.
Every time we meet our smartphone.
Over here, let's check it out. We have got our pan pastels. This is another doorbuster, 30% off. And these are fantastic for adding true color to fish and mammals. And let me also tell you, my husband, Corey Carruthers, also uses a lot of different varieties here. 30% off doorbusters. Come and check that out. And you can see that we've got a variety. You know what? I thought this spins. It does not. So we're going to walk around it. But we've got variety. We've got accessories. You guys are going to love it.
He used it a few years ago, but he hasn't.
And here we have, this is another doorbuster that I want to point out to you. These are our pack mounts. Fantastic for on the go, loading all of your materials on there. You can put compasses, books, slings, canteens, knives, gloves, caps, all of that great stuff. Plus, check this out right here. We offer these straps and other accessories at Matuska Taxidermy, so make sure that you just ask us about those. This is a doorbuster, 25% off. You can see there are several different options here. We have original, we have our canvas, we have military green, we have leather. We have options to suit your personality, so be sure you check those out. They're fast becoming a fan favorite. So come with me. What do you think so far? A lot of good stuff? Are you totally excited? I'm totally excited. I'm not even a taxidermist, but I'm married to one. So I have to be excited, right? Come on over. And this, come on now, this is going to be one of my favorite parts of the whole booth. Why? What do you see up there? Wildlife Illusions by Corey Carruthers. Come on now. You know that that's some good stuff. Let's check it out. It is. Something newer that you might be noticing here are the metal reeds. They make great mounting options for scenes. Check this out. So much creativity you have available here. And you'll see that we have the full line of Wildlife Illusions, bird head, and bodies. And rumor has it, there's going to be new stuff coming soon. So you want to keep your eye on that. We also have a newer offering here, which is our Wild Wings Habitat offering. So you can see we've got sea lettuce and flexible kelp and barnacles, starfish. So when you're doing those sea ducks, those will be awesome on those black rocks that we see so many of them on. You know, sometimes we're fortunate enough to get hunters who have the authentic accessories that go with these mounts for these particular birds, but you don't always get that. And so now you have the opportunity to get more of those authentic items at Matuska Taxidermy. And one other thing I would like to point out is that we are giving live demonstrations. We've got 3 going on today and more tomorrow. Here we have Blake Reiminger, and he is painting a turkey head using some of those pan pastels we just talked about. Blake, what's going on here? Why do you love these pastels for your turkey heads?
They're just soft and they're easy. They're easy to get the colors you want. You can put more on, you can take more off, easy, and they just make it soft like a head when you're done. That's why I
Awesome,
like them.
fantastic. And you know what? Can I be honest with you guys? I just have to be honest. Turkey heads, I have never found attractive. Just think.
face only a mother can love.
Poor
Right?
guys, yeah, it's a face only a mother can love. But when you start adding in the more realistic colors, you really do appreciate that even the turkey head is one of God's beautiful creations, because there are just so many colors, the colors and the metallics and the feathers themselves, but also now the turkey heads, and they're becoming even more lifelike. So fantastic offering there. You know, I think I've gone to, oh my gosh, I almost forgot. Taxidermy University DVDs, 30% off. See, this is why I have notes, because I can't possibly remember everything that is available in this booth. So, Taxidermy University DVDs, 30% off. And I talked about kids clothing. We also have kids activities. So this booth is just not for the bigs, it's for the littles too. We have coloring competitions, different age categories, and this particular one that I'm showing here, this is for all ages, including the adults. So even the adults can show off their creative spirit here. So you just gotta finish drawing this bird, turn it in, have these submitted by 5:30, I believe, on Friday night, and you can get entered for a prize. So many ways to win. Hourly drawings, giveaways, prize packages, and oh my gosh, I almost forgot one of my favorites here, the $10 candy bar. You buy 10, you pay your $10, get your candy bar, and there's a scratch-off on the back with a prize. Now they're telling everybody you have a 50-50 chance of winning, but I've got it on good advice that you may have better than 50% odds when you buy these candy bars. So you are going to want to take advantage of this 100%. The other thing is, all over, I'm just getting too worked up here. Over the next several days, we're going to continue to have more live demonstrations. We're going to have product highlights and features. So you're going to want to keep your eyes tuned to the Matuska Taxidermy Facebook page for all of this information that's coming to you. We're going to be highlighting our prize winners and so much more. So, Matuska Taxidermy, the World Taxidermy and Fish Carving Championships. This is the place to be. Stick with us. Make sure you wear your Matuska gear to get your golden ticket, and just be sure to win. And I'll be coming at you again soon.
Thank you guys, and make sure to follow our Matuska World Show booth event on Facebook. We will be posting exclusive things on there throughout the entire weekend. So you'll just go to that event. It's pinned at the top of our page. Click going, and even if you're not, you'll still get updates of everything that's going on. So, and Mr. Corey Carruthers.
Hobbs is here. He's taking a break from judging.
Just a few minutes break.
And he's wearing one of my favorite accessories that you can also get from Matuska Taxidermy. I knew I was going to mess that up, but I love these things. And these glasses here, reading glasses, but they also have the built-in lights on them. Oh my gosh, I love these. I use these, and I'm not even a taxidermist, so you're going to want to check these out too.
All right, we will catch you guys later.